I like getting some basil leaves, and from there, literally find your largest leaf and then stick the little ones. So lay them on top like that, and then literally roll them up nice and tight, almost like a cigar. And then slice it nice and finely. I would like the basil to perfume the inside of that ravioli mix. I don't want to bruise it. Razor sharp knife, and look, I've got these nice thin shards of fragrant basil. But when cutting herbs, look, I want the goodness left in the herb. I don't want the darkness on the board. Every time you see chefs over chop herbs, this dark green board is the most fragrant board anywhere in the world, and the herbs give you nothing. So slice them, chop them once into the mix. Beautiful.